Okay, so this is from tutorial 5, and this is question A. So for each of the networks that you're shown in tutorial 5, you're to determine the charge stored by each capacitor and the voltage across each capacitor. If you look back on your notes to page 17, you'll see the rules for charge and voltage in capacitors. So when capacitors are connected in series, the same charge and current for the same time will pass through each capacitor. So that's the same as current is in a series circuit. And when capacitors are connected in parallel, like they are in this circuit, the same voltage will appear across each capacitor. So the same voltage will appear across each capacitor. So the voltage across capacitor 1 will be equal to the voltage across capacitor 2, which will be equal to the voltage across capacitor 3, will be that 12 volts. If you want the charge for each capacitor, Q1, using your capacitor formula there, to get Q you do V times C. So V1 times C1, 12 times 0.1 times 10 to the minus 6 for microfarads. Gets you 1.2 microcoulombs, because charge is measured in coulombs. And you'd go through the same process for the next two capacitors. Q2 would be V2 times C2, 12 times 0.2 times 10 to the minus 6 this time. 0.2 from the 0.2 over here. Gets you 2.4 microcoulombs. And Q3, V3 times C3, 12 times 0.3 times 10 to the minus 6. 3.6 microcoulombs. And that would be that question answered.